You are a genius, and I am so honored to be here with you tonight. And as Mark Twain once said, have a big deal. I'm a little depressed after all that. So now I'd love to share with you some work Will and I have done together.
Here, little baby.